Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. So in order to do this, it's really easy. All you need to do is open Facebook Messenger just like this. And once you've done that, simply head over to the top right corner of your screen at that basically the pencil icon with that square. Then click on create a new group, and the first thing you need to do is give the group a name. So I'm just going to name mine test like this. Once you've done that, click on search because you need to add at least 2 people to your group in order to make the group. So I'm just going to add some random Elon Musk accounts because I don't really know who to add. So I'm just going to type in Elon Musk twice, and then I will be adding 2 people to my group, basically, just like this. And yeah, now basically what you can do is either add more people or you can click on create at the top right corner of your screen. Once you've done that, your group has basically already been created and you're good to go. You can add more members, you can change the name, you can change the theme, but yeah, the most important thing is you can now send things basically to this group by clicking on the send button basically. And yeah, that's all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.